Mensch, ja super, ja, und du hörst gar nicht auf, dich zu freuen, ja, und...
To generate this kind of profit, it becomes very important to enter the right position and book profit at the right position. And in this video, I will give you complete information about this. First of all, to know the trend of the market, you have to look at the super trend indicator. You will be seeing green color now. And then you have to check the market volume. After getting the signals from these two indicators, we will wait for the creation of a red colored candle above the super trend indicator. And then after a green colored candle is created, we will execute our trade there and set the stop loss below the green line. We'll set a target of profit on the next red color candle. The market conditions you are seeing right now, it is very difficult to take any decision in this situation. Because there is no clear understanding here that in which direction the market will move. In such a situation, we will wait for a good entry point. As you can see here, there is a clear understanding between the market and me. So in such a situation, we can enter the market with a good volume. The stop loss will be set above the red super trend indicator. And target of profit will book on next green color candle. Now let's see how we made our setup. First of all, we will select the Henshik-Hasi chart candle. And after that, we have to search extreme trend in the search box of Tradingview. And click on extreme trend option, in which we have to change some color and hide some option. After that, we have to apply another indicator on the chart. We will search by QQEMT4 in the search box of Tradingview. After that, we have to click on QQEMT4 glass modified option, in which we have to hide some option. Now our setup is ready. I hope you must have liked this trading setup. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching our video.